Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween decorations, showcasing what we believe is the best Halloween pumpkin accessory you can find. The Plow and Hearth set of 4 bendable pumpkin arms and legs. These charming additions are perfect for transforming your Halloween decor into something truly unique and whimsical. These bendable and posable arms and legs are designed to add personality and a touch of whimsy to your Halloween display. Made from durable, weatherproof iron, they can withstand the elements, ensuring that your spooky decor looks great throughout the season. Each set includes 2 arms and 2 legs, giving you plenty of flexibility to create playful and imaginative scenes with your pumpkins. One of the standout features of this product is its versatile design. The fully bendable joints allow you to customize the poses of your pumpkins, making them look frightfully fun or adorably quirky. Whether you want them to look like they're waving at passers-by or striking a silly pose, the choice is yours. Let your creativity run wild as you bring your Halloween vision to life. Just look at the difference. With these arms and legs, your pumpkins can go from ordinary to extraordinary in just a few minutes. It's the perfect way to enhance your Halloween displays and impress your friends and neighbors. These decorations are not just for outdoor use, they also work wonderfully indoors. Imagine having a fun Halloween setup in your living room or entryway, greeting your guests with these adorable pumpkin characters. The Plow and Hearth bendable pumpkin arms and legs are crafted with quality in mind. With over 30 years of experience in home decor, Plow and Hearth ensures that their products meet high standards. You can count on these charming decorations to last season after season, bringing joy to your Halloween festivities. Installation is a breeze. Simply insert the arms and legs into your pumpkins and adjust them to your liking. There's no complicated assembly required, which means you can spend less time setting up and more time enjoying the holiday spirit with your family and friends. If you're looking for a way to elevate your Halloween decor, look no further than the Plow and Hearth set of 4 bendable pumpkin arms and legs. They're expressive, easy to use, and the perfect touch to create an enchanting and spooky atmosphere. Don't miss out on the chance to make your Halloween unforgettable. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fantastic product reviews. Happy Halloween decorating!